Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you my grocery haul, everything that I just picked up from Walmart. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. I love sharing with you our meal plan and our grocery haul for the week. I do one Walmart grocery pickup and I order everything that I need and I write down my meal plan in my meal planning book. Each week I will share it with you. And this is everything we're having. I like to keep my budget at $200. I was just a smidgen over this week at $208. But this is for my family of four for all of our meals for the week. So let me show you everything I got, and I will also share with you my meal plan. Okay, so all of the food for the week that we're having, and I got some extra treat type things because we are going to be I have a couple holiday parties this weekend, and I'm going to be taking some appetizers, some desserts as well. So I'll share with you what I'm making for those functions and then also what we're having for dinners throughout the week this week. I'll start over on this side. I have ground turkey. I usually get 2 of these a week. I got 2 packs of chicken this week because we just go through a lot of chicken. A box of spring mix, going to be doing a lot of salads for my lunches this week. And I just love this spring mix with this cranberries and glazed walnuts. This salad topping, really, really delicious. And I use this Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. And it is just my favorite thing right now. I just absolutely love this salad. So salads for lunch and then probably dinner one night this week also, if we kind of go off the meal plan a little bit. Some little smokies for an appetizer. 2 things of meatballs. I ordered the family size bag and they substituted it for 2 of the smaller bags. But doing a meatball appetizer, needed some butter for some holiday baking, of course. Our milk for the week and almond milk for the week. 2 things of, this is the yogurt my husband likes. It's vanilla, but it's 2 grams of sugar per serving. Really great. We love anything that's low in sugar. So 2 of those. Cottage cheese, one of our favorite snacks. I just love how high in protein it is. So good. Some regular plain Greek yogurt. I got all these different Chex mixes. I'm going to be doing a big Chex Mix appetizer snack type thing. I will do a video on it, of course, so I'll share that. But I'm going to be doing that for a function that we're going to this weekend. Down here is some sandwich thins for my husband's lunches that he makes sandwiches for. I got some eggnog. This is going to be for some overnight oats. And definitely excited to be using that. Love this time of year. I had to get these Kisses candy cane ones, and you can only get these around Christmas time. So I had to get these, and I will make a dessert with them for sure. They're just so fun and festive. 2 cake box mixes. If you have been around my channel, you know how much I love to make different hacks with cake box mix, yellow mix I love. And then I got this red velvet to do some Christmas cookies as well. And so those cookies are going to have these Hershey Kisses on top. So it'll be delicious. And then the yellow cake mix, I'll do some of these holiday sprinkles, just a little festive sprinkle in there. And I'm going to take these cookies to a function that we're going to this weekend. I got some bread for my kids, sandwiches for school. I make them in their lunches. Some pretzels. This will go in the Chex Mix. And then also my kids do a lot of pretzels in their lunches. Cashews. This is a big thing, but I really love cashews. And it's going to go in the Chex Mix. But we'll definitely have lots of leftovers of that. But that's okay because cashews are delicious. Tortilla chips, because my kids have been really obsessed with guacamole lately. They make their own. They just get their avocado and they mash it up. They don't put anything else in it, no seasonings, but they call it their guacamole, and they've been really liking it lately. So we go through a lot of avocados. Strawberries, blueberries. Blueberries have been really good lately, so I didn't get them for a little while because they just weren't tasting that great, but last week they were delicious. So hopefully this batch is good also. Broccoli, we do a lot of broccoli, lots of grapes, lots and lots of apples. And then here are our avocados for the week. Bananas, and then a big, huge box of eggs. This is 60 eggs in this box. We go through a lot of eggs. So these are all of the groceries. I will share with you the meal plan now that I have written out. And like I mentioned always when I share with you my meal plan, I just love writing everything down. I go through the freezer and the pantry and the fridge before I do my grocery list and my meal plan. So I have some things I'm going to be using for dinner that I don't want them to go to waste. So I always write it down in my book to know what we have. So for this week, on Monday, we're going to do a shepherd's pie crock pot soup. Delicious. We're going to do chicken and rice-a-roni. I already have rice-a-roni in the pantry. We'll do that Tuesday. A shrimp scampi. I have some shrimp in the freezer, so I'll be doing that on Wednesday. I'm going to do a ground turkey skillet on Thursday. Ground turkey, rice, and I have a zucchini, so I'll dice that up. Do barbecue chicken sandwiches on Friday. We barbecue up all of our chicken usually and put it on sandwiches, salads, and whatnot. Just always like to have lots of barbecued up chicken breast ready to go for even snacks and stuff. So Saturday, the function that we have, I'm going to be doing the cranberry meatballs and the party Chex Mix. And then we have another thing to go to on Sunday. I'm going to make 2 different kinds of cookies. I'm going to do the yellow cake mix with sprinkles and then the red velvet cookies as well. So this is the meal plan for the week. All of the groceries for the week. Lots of little extras because of the holidays. Holidays are so fun to just gather and do food and snacks with everyone. So it is just a busy time of year, but super fun. I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. And I love sharing with you these hauls, so I do them every single week. So make sure you subscribe and check out what I get each week and check out our meal plan. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.